Hello, it's Barn Cars in Brentwood. We're an AA approved dealership who've been trading for 10 years with 5 stars on Auto Trader. Here we've got a mini hatch. It's the 1.2 litre 1 model. This car has one former owner. It's got a panoramic roof. It's keyless start. It's got alloy wheels as well as main dealer service history, Bluetooth hands-free and air conditioning amongst other things. Should you wish to finance this vehicle, we have a finance calculator on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can get you a quote over the phone. The car will come with 12 months AA breakdown cover and part exchanges are welcome, so please do inquire. Please feel free to give us a call or send us a message to book in your test drive today. Thank you. Goodbye.